hwe de ba no snow na to me internet gina so ai na snow na to good dem ba wo yanko enim ayi. Former Finance Minister Ken Ofori-Atta remains in US ICE custody after bail denied in immigration case. PZ for you say NPP for Finance Minister na your friend Ken Ofori-Atta or your Finance Minister for 8 years. Na otro budgeta one mole ba umia na tro. The economic management team no na ba umia na teso oni sa brand team na teso. Na as a political party former finance minister obeye djuma ma Ghana. Obeye djuma ma Ghana no. Obedi Ghana sika sam enim for 8 years. 2024 ena Ghana fo hu nyansa to abatia eye MPP aban. Ye to abatia MPP aban ena branche we ekọ abrochire. Sebi oya Ghana ni a tie me. Onya politics Matias here, mo de motaika. Be de politics de utu jimu no wu. Politics na ama odwuma bekoso. Politics de bema hospital. Politics de bema unsuo. Politics ene be yi oyare efiri ho because mahama care ene betuma aboa health insurance politics de buy. Politics ene bema uba school papa akọ. Wankasa politics ene bema o pension sikaka. Into do kwasi ate wo ye mempe politics menye politics a ujimi na odi bewu. Tie me no bia politics. Enti just sit back. Mo amoso monye politics na mo jimi no. Udi tie me. Yeti oman mu. Ena aban bi abaso. Ena political party na di aban ne baso no. Before I did to me mom, no ka kire say abrantie we friend Ken Ofori-Atta. The busuani ne president no. Onim de. One omo vice president efen ba omia no. Omunim sika toto emu hu nsem. Ti o de onya politics. Ti asoma me ka kire we. Ena political party no omo wini power no ena omo de abrantie we ma say we na betumi atoto Ghana sika sem nyina ye. Na omo amfa ma ye keke. Ba omiana and the oyom flag bearer no ono na gina mu eka say we die onim sika 70 yamfa sika 70 nhyɛ nsa na ono ni nya adwuma mbom because ba omiana na eye head of sika 70 to nyina wo Ghana na papa we ohye ba omia ase because the head of economic management team no omo no mu decide the papa we emfa sika ne nkoye na ba omiana da no ena Ghana nyina ka say yo yate ene tam Ghana sika sam upon because of Baumia's advice, no, your tam edema papa we Ghana ni ba ne ma ne papa ya Ghana for obetena Ghana 8 years wan kwatena bruchire da we ntu an kwatena bruchire kwa 2 months da COVID time nkwa na COVID year na ye de private jet be fa no kwa bruchire but 8 years no MPP ne de ne ba ye no wan kwatena bruchire kwa more than 1 month otena Ghana the whole time imbre bi du o yare pa me ka say onja 2 minutes to o se dabi one de ye ne ma na ontumi nja ne mba eho ema sebio yare enkuye nti ono na behwe yesika so ye ka bibia o so mpene tie mi o de se wo se onye politics ena abrantie we yesika sem odi yenim one ba omia edi tutu yesika sem nti ba omia ma na ideas a na odi yesika sem na ye ena omu free eye to me ana power free omunsem abranti oye Ghana ni a obedi Ghana so one ba omia be ye adwuma se oyina kumem na odo Ghana eye adwuma ma Ghana die na nka efe se ono ankasa ebetena Ghana na sebio aban foforo ede tumi ahye omonsa na wetumi kura kasem akase na me wo ho no na me ye ni sei adikudie ntia na me ni sei no eni sei eni ntia na mu ye sei a enye ye de na nka efe na nka ye wo ha ne agye na dwenkyere na we pie abeka che Ghana for say time na me ye mo finance minister no musika na me tamo ye no we na me de ye we na me de ye in fact some person mo tutuma no a be de me ho meba mama tutuma because imbre bi me ka che Ghana for say ejuma me ye kura me njipe abranti we o ka che Ghana ha say ejuma o ye ma ye no on njipe o ye cheye free bonto yanka bibia ena brantie we me free MPP nsa. To me free MPP nsa no. Ena wakɔhyɛ America bibia memeti wabɛhyɛ ha. Ena Ghana for twe no sɛ brafie. Na ha na wote mfie wɔtwe. Special prosecutor ka sɛ bra. Na bra na nsɛm bi asi wɔkyi. Na obi a na woyɛ adwuma na wonji sika mfiri Ghana for hɔ de na ɛkyerɛ sɛ na wodɔ Ghana krampo kyɛn Ghana ankasa. Enti bra. Na nipa bi ɛkeka nsɛm bi wɔ wɔkyi. Enkrata bi abesi wɔkyi a ɛkyerɛ sɛ time na woyɛ adwuma wonji sika wɔ hɔ as pay no na woyɛ nnwoma bi a ɛmfa kwa mu. Enti bra na bɛyi wo ho ano. Political party na ɛde abrante we ba MPP no. Omo se papa no mema ne ma. TMU. Papa ne shabrochire, ombra be yi ne ho ano na omo a omo ne ball krono no. Ombe chire mu se one de onka ho na bia asemesi we na ye asemesi we de. Ombra no. MPP fo ka kire ye se including Bawumia, yebusa Bawumia se onkasem na ema branche ye mbra ema kire se ono Bawumia ne branche we no. Oma nka mu kira mbom ambo ye krono. Bawumia se onkasa. Tie. From time Ghana forecast branche we mra na ombeyi ne ho ano na yehu Ghana na yekɔ enim so obi edi ebone anase ono ankasa di adwuma because ɔse adwuma no onji esika ebesi nne Mahmoud Bawumia se onke bi na do dan kwaku fola na ɔyɛ president no ɔno se onka ncha branche we ne busuani se ombra Bawumia yeyi ne se party no asa yi ne se ondi omanim no ɔno se onka bi inti abrantie ne ntena hɔ. Na de esi nyina ne sɛ abrantie wei ene na mabrochira sa oni nkrata. Ena US police fo akye no. Ena omde na kɔhyɛ abankukum. Inti me no ka sɛ ɔdane bi ne ho. Ɔdane Johnson ho. Ɔda student mattress so. Ɛkɔ bosom enan enum ni. Ɔwɔ dan si Ghana. Ɔwɔ mansion wɔ Ghana. Owe Japadia or Ghana. Our freedom ewo Ghana. And so abrantie we say obedani bini hu America. Busa won say sa party na ka che omo ahu nipa se ontina America dani bini hu no. Die na party ni di sie. Nipa na wabedi party n'animu no. Adenti na onka nkyere se omra. Na sebio Ghana for ensanje party ni endi ono so ni every say ono Bawumia no one Ofori-Atta ye dwuma pen of Bawumia ne se onkasa Ofori-Atta nka ho sesia no odaba kukumu a ya kye no ne nkrata nye broni bifre bibi alien America for say oye nipa bi a omu hu ne so oye nipa se oye abuo intom the word bi ato so e friend alien just say oni akwenya ana oni ho kwan se obetena America. Enti oma kye no koa ena omde na kɔhyɛ dan bi mu ena ɔda ne bi ne ho ena ɔda ne Johnson ho ena ɔda student mattress so ena yama no kuntu unim kuntu yama ne blanket baako ena wahyɛ ene ɛyɛ America for prison na ɔda no ɔda prison o sɛ ombra na omumetie na no asem efri se empempenso ayedui ida se yede beba onu ankasa ne kurom ana se yede ne betum wo ha ana se yebegya no wo ha ende okogina America judge enimu no okachi America judge ne se obese America judge no ema ni bail na okofie and America judge say we fear why because one we alien ye krom ha krata bia ni wa e kire say we krom ha ni a wo kwanya say wotena ha it oka kire America judge say me pe bail akofie and a judge ni busa ne say efie be mu na wokɔ u pe bail ni kire address a wokom and also oh me metia no meti hotel me yare me ho mfame enti mami bail na me nkofie and a judge say ekroma obi eni wa hotel ya na address and as wo yare a sa ice detention prison hana odano doctors omo ho nyina ye papa che doctors omo Ghana facility na e wa ha no hospital facility na wo prison ha no ni nyina ye papa chen hospital bi e wo Ghana enti kan wa asem yie ana si oh ka judge ni mani nkofie na onkoda fie se na be a yesa frɛ na asem na na waba na judge se da bi wan kasa wo ye alien wo free krom ha na me judge ni krom atise wo ukrom for the krata de wechi se omo pe wa chew emo be yinsem bia no wo Ghana ena judge ni se onko no kankoda ni bi ni ho onkoda na dwunso ho onkoda ni kuntu na se ene ni student mattress ne so na onsa nkodwene no meka nyansasem bi nkyere no no de enya de obema ni bail mana kofie ni kuro no kuro ofiri mu no omo hwehwe no enti ome kyera de kudie nti a eni se odene ma ni kuro Ghana ose odo a oye adwuma che omo no de na prevent ne se Ghana ho enya na kono biem ti judge ne se yen sanfa Ken Ofori-Atta nkoto ni bi ni ho unim de ya de ya ne se upon ni bi ni a oda ho nyina e wo prison ho no MPP phone to me in press conference empa ne chew se ombre fie azi wo fie a oye MPP for omo parliament led by the foolish idiot afenyoma ake no omo to me enye press conference nka se Ken Ofori-Atta wo kan ye ho wo ye party member wo be di Ghana so wo de ba omia na be chichire Ghana sikasem brafie. The last time I tell you, no obi antwa obi akon wo Ghana. Obi anwo obi asekan wo Ghana. The last time I tell you, me afenyoma ke me bo police ni asum me da ho nenam ha e ma wini ba hemfo so me so nkwase asam. Enti bra MP so mo hyemra. A mo se omo do Ghana ende omo pese Ghana for HS Ghana for se omo do Ghana no. Omo ese Ken Ofori-Atta ntra ho. Omunya press conference over a year now. Omunya press conference and can't check and say yes, fie. Na be chere Ghana for say wonya kromfo na party nya kromfo party. Omo se omunya da. Na do danko Akufo-Addo na ni nue na odi tumi ni ma na sa branche we ni baumia ewia Ghana sika through their so-called policy and budget no. Na do danko Akufo-Addo na imrebi odi adanse chere say Brante we ako Harvard, abrante we ako Columbia, abrante we ako Yale, abrante we ni muwoma, eni tira ordene ma ye se one ba omi ahwe sika so no. Na do danko Akufo-Addo te Ghana. Wako Afghanistan aba. Onam Ghana na hu num wi. Otumi keka nkwasi asam se ono waye mpuntudwuma, ontumi mbie na no nka se minua Ofori-Atta bra na party na ema dwuma die no party ni pese batumi ba chirem adekodie ntia e wo se Ghana for tomaye so omo se edi omo sika na do danko Akufo-Addo achichide ne ntumi mbie na no nka bibisa wo ye Ghana ni wo mpe politics tie me wo ye kokokue ni ohun wo ye MPP ni tie me Mahamudu Bawumia na one abrantie we eye dwuma bom kokra ndankra etro Ghana budget eka se sika sebe nyina omunom ni mu nyansa Mahamudu Bawumia abeye MPP for flag bearer party na edi Ofori-Atta bae na ebe wiaye no kai say ye Ghana ye history mu any history of the world finance minister bi eni wa wedi na abre wi a wodwane akotena abrochire ye say onu amra ni krom repatriate ombra onu ankasa ni krom no ebi nsida Mahamudu Bawumia be di flag bearer e was her party na Ken Ofori-Atta ni ye adwuma o se na onjipe no we be di flag bearer e be sinne ontumi mbie na no nka se Ken Ofori-Atta bra na dwuma mi ni udi ye no magana fo be hu se menya kromfo wanwiaye uye dwuma wanji sikampo na Ghana fo enji yendi Mahamudu Bawumia na oye flag bearer ontumi mbie na no baako enka sa asem we obedwam onshia media enka na adwene se o se okache Ken Ofori-Atta se omre fie na no Bawumia anya kromfo. The party NEC, National Executive Council, in penifo di MPP enim. Omo se omo de party no in penifo di enim a omo ka no kura party nya kromfo party no emu baako Hakman Owusu Agyemang Michael Kwe J.A. Kufuor adokofo wan ebesinde Atta Kennedy and Bawumia Johnson and Atta free. None of these people have been able to come out boldly to tell Bawumia say we should insist second for Atta mrefie. Ompe politics. Na mbese mbusa wasembio. Ekofo ebedi Ghana so. Nipa na Ghana money box ni kutano no. A oni Bawumia di djuma no. Ose o Ghana. Nipa na yade Ghana no ehye ni nsemu no sika sama ona ne Bawumia edi hu djuma no yese ombra onuan krom ose oyare yese brafie ombra onuan Ghana na odisu 8 years ne Bawumia etoto Ghana sika sam no ombra fie keke ose omma na wo mpe politics mibusa wo die nti na odwini second Ofori-Atta se omba Ghana die nti na ama Mahamudu Bawumia besinde ontumi nka ho asem die nti na Nana Danko Akufo-Addo ofa Ofori-Atta de Bawumia djuma ontumi bie na no ka se Ofori-Atta mrefie die nti na MPP party mpenifo nyina including Kufo entumi nkasa officially say eye Ofori-Atta mrefie die nti na party dankasa omu general secretary ni omu chairman for ntumi nye press conference enka ncheke Ofori-Atta se omrefie na obafie a na obeyini ho anu a Ghana fo behu se onye kromfo na party ni nye party a eya kromfo party die nti na odwen se omu nyina ntumi nye sa ompe politics me chirawo MPP omu ye wifo whether they have been prosecuted or not they have not been able to justify say omu nye wifo say if all that we are saying say Ken Ofori-Atta ye kromfo Akufo-Addo ye kromfo Bawumia ye kromfo and we are saying say Ken Ofori-Atta was the one who was holding the money box say ye ka na some person who prove you wrong morally why are they all not speaking against Ofori-Atta insisting on staying in America? It is because omu nyina nim say center bolt ni ye Ken Ofori-Atta omu nyina ye wifo we don't have to go stand in court to know say or to prove say papa way on the MPP for from Bawumia to Akufo-Addo omu nyina ya kromfo we don't need to going to court and jailing them is the icing on the cake but morally between you and I Ghana ni bia otena Ghana ha 8 years no Ghana ni bia oye nkremoni papa ana oye Kristo ni papa o ka no kore no a o pese Ghana ko nanim no we will all come to that conclusion that the MPP is a criminal enterprise. Nipa usu oneye ene be kire dipa awoye oba ekwa aware a enye de ni ebe jae no ana be ma de nsa ebekọ eye de busuafo fie na kire se oba ne nye papa wo eye ne neye ene ne su eno na be ma ne peke ni nyina ka enia ekesi enia ena otumi tam snap se me de mo ba na ebre no ebre mo and that is what we are seeing. We don't need to enter court to prove say the party the MPP party no eye Bawumia ye leader no Akufo-Addo ka ho Kofo mo ye elders of the party no it's a criminal entity because Yemfan say the court is not in this case. Don't they owe it to us? Don't they owe it to their God? Morally, can they prove to us say Ken Ofori-Atta enya kromfo by telling him to come home? Yemfan say the judiciary is not working. Attorney General Yemfan say na Kofo na otewo no Akufo-Addo na otewo no eye Michael Kwe na otewo no Hakman Osu Agyeman na otewo no Adokofo na otewo no Bawumia na oye party leader no general say why can't they boldly say Ken Ofori-Atta come home? They can't because all of them are criminals. Omo ye wifo Ken Ofori-Atta ba for all you know ebi onu Ken Ofori-Atta no krampo no jailing affect no it will affect all of these people behind the scenes. That is the problem. Ebi krampo Ken Ofori-Atta no he might not end up in jail but Ken Ofori-Atta's presence in court, what is going to happen is that the rippling effect, the neck, the executive, national executives, the flag bearer of the party, majority of them will end up in jail. That is why they are all protecting Ken Ofori-Atta. Because if the minority that every single day on your press conference, they have refused to have a press conference on this, then it means that the minority is not a minority. Also, what do they represent? And people represented the. We just need Ken Ofori-Atta in Ghana. And we all know Ken Ofori-Atta about Ghana and your channel beko jail. It's a court process. A process. Ken ba also be for lawyer. Of a lawyer, obeko court said you will be a court. No. Ken Ofori-Atta ba obi and what is second. So why is the party, the leadership, from Kufuor to Ekufuado to even a flag bearer? Say flag bearer now Bawumia. Say odi no kure onwane nyame or ye chiriwiande muna fiki. Onyankopon Allah odi Bawumia be di e 30 days way sa chiriwia we. Sa Bawumia na yiri beifo na onam nduro so no. Se Onyankopon kokroko wo soro no. Se oti nanim na ohwe nkofore nma he will strike the wife dead. Unima le kro because chiriwia kro omo ye no e ya tro e no mo ye. Wallahi. Onyankopon kokroko a ohata soro. A onim nipa kumem. Every single day obehu Samira Bawumia, he spits on her like a pig. And because they are liars, because omo yen kremufo omo kanukure, because omo yen munafikis, because Allah akesi omo asasi we so, even in their Ramadan they cannot be truthful to Allah. Because Bawumia kanukura and this Ramadan season or person onyamede ne body channel and the channel yemu ma ene ne yiri beifo na ko be bie na no aka kire Onyankopon say ma mendi ne kura nkire me man na mendi ne kura nkire me Nyankopon, he would have spoken about Ken Ofori-Atta's matter because it is the reason why today he is the flag bearer. But you know something, because these people are evil, because these people are dirty people, because these people are criminals, they are thieves, they are murderers. The NPP as a political party, omukuni pasre, because they are dirty people. I've not forgotten when he said he wanted the boy to die like a chicken. I've not forgotten that. So remember, I'll remind you every day. These are dangerous human beings. Intimibusao. In your senses, say human being. Wosheme. Umpe politics. Are you going to hand over power to Bawumia? When you hand over power to Bawumia, it is only to me Ken Ofori-Atta. That's all. As simple. Dede bebrebia nim. So otam to me. Otam to me. At the Bawumia nsem. Even when you think about it as a Muslim. Oya sorry 5 times a day. Oko Juma Friday biano. Quran ne adia otie di Onyankopon enumasam ene eyede Muhammad, peace be upon him. Now so udi nukura wo mu a, you will never even think of handing over power of voting for a liar like Bawumia, because all his life and his principles are not the principles of Allah. If you the Muslim, you want to also enter the same place Bawumia is entering, because Bawumia is a munafiki. They don't speak truth. I have no problem voting for anybody who follows any religion. I don't care. But what I hate is somebody who is a liar from any religion. And Mahamudu Bawumia, they are capital liars. They are munafikis. They are not what you think they are. They are dangerous human beings. And this guy, continuously, consistently, the inconsistency in the MPP's issue discussing this matter consistently has proven that the party is a party no Ghanaian can trust. I don't care. All I need is Ken Ofori-Atta being in Ghana. If it's going to take him 10 years to be in court, I don't care. At least the courts are dealing with the matter. Why is he now pushing away his own homeland, home country? Why is he not interested? Why is Bawumia not interested in bringing Ken Ofori-Atta back? Why is he not flying to the States to go talk to Ken Ofori-Atta? Why is he doing that? Why is he mute on Ken Ofori-Atta's return to Ghana? It is because these are dangerous people. In Tumpe politics, that is the game they are playing with you. In time before story no mu ye dede etiti radio so the question is dear inti no mu ye dede no. It is because they want you to give them power. Then they can set people like this free. There are hundreds of these people we will have to deal with. Now remember, they are wounded now. They are pained. Samira Bawumiano bunko for dangu. She has offended a lot of people. And she's pained because 2 million all pay for Rebecca Kufuor in Sanka. And if we make a mistake and allow that devil, I'm talking from experience, allow that devil, that will be the end of this nation. Me, I've got nothing to lose. And I want you people to understand. The NPP is a dangerous political party.
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it. They've been in existence for a long time and have been changing their names up till this day. The nature of who they are. Listen. Munjir. The nature of who they are, what they are, where they've come from, is something they are happy with, and they will be there for a long time. Let's not mimic their behavior. Let us reach into the principles and the values that emerged out of the circumstances that gave birth to us. And if we can hold onto those principles and those values, we will move way into the future and no one can ever defeat us. We will ride and override any obstacle as we did in the past.
That is the NPP for you. And Debia Ebekaimo, Debia Meboamamo. They are a dangerous group. So from Kufuor, Ekufuado, Hakwada Uswa Jiman, Fremau Parry, Michael Quay, whoever and whoever, nobody, the whole party, nobody has been bold for once. From Kufuor, nobody has been bold for once to say, Ken Ofori-Atta, come to Ghana. Ask yourself why. Mahmoud Bawumia has power, GDA, Yenjinindi to me. He has not been bold to face the media to say, ask me questions about my stewardship and those who I worked with. He's running from the media. Today, Bawumia is running from the media, all because of Ken Ofori-Atta. Ekufuor is running for the media, all because of Ken Ofori-Atta. J.A. Kufuor is running from the media, all because of Ken Ofori-Atta. Hakamana Uswajiman, they are all running for the media because they don't want to speak on Ken Ofori-Atta. Why don't they want to speak on Ken Ofori-Atta? Monko bisa Kufuor abronsan so. Ya papa Kufuor. Yetena kurum ha ma obeye campaign 2024 ma ye say yen continue a year MPP. Yen ma omutumi ntoaso. Ba umia bedi power anka Ken Ofori-Atta da ho aban mu. Why have you refused to speak? Not a single interview from Kufuor about Ken Ofori-Atta. Not a single interview from Ekufuor about Ofori-Atta. Not a single interview from the party general secretary about Ken Ofori-Atta. Not a single interview from Afenyomakin, the leader of the Piglet in Parliament, from about Ken Ofori-Atta. Not a single interview from Bawumia about Ken Ofori-Atta. Ask yourself why. Are you not worried? Are you not scared? We need another party from somewhere to come. The NPP is a dangerous political party. Not a single interview. Not a single word. What at all na Ken Ofori-Atta kuta? All these people are scared. Kufuor has no balls to stand before Ken Ofori-Atta to speak. Kufuor is a child. Or yakwara or Ken Ofori-Atta enim. Ekufuor yakwara or Ken Ofori-Atta enim. Ken Ofori-Atta who Bawumia Jimmy. He cannot speak about him. None of the 76 or 67 pigs can come out boldly and speak about Ken Ofori-Atta. Ask yourself why. A dear to me nkwana branti wo. A dear pana onima. Nobody in the party, nobody can speak and say, come home. Ask yourself why. Ask yourself why. Because Ken Ofori-Atta Jumadi Odi, you know. All of these people benefited from Kufuor to Akufo-Addo to Hackman to Michael Kwe to Fremont Paré to Mahamudu Bawumia and his dirty wife. They all benefited. So ask yourself, why? Why are they all scared about Ken Ofori-Atta? Why? Why? What is in there? I want Ken Ofori-Atta to come to Ghana and face the law. I don't care how long it takes. So, but why? What is stopping them? So, you see, sometimes it's not all about party in government, policies, where it's about the moral, the attitude, what they do. And then about they read what they will do. Listen, what they have done, what they do, you can use that to predict what they will do. And the MPP, what they have done in the past and what they are doing today, you and I can predict what they will do tomorrow if you give them power. And that is what I'm trying to let you understand. So, Mumusa Bawumia, we need a full interview on Ken Ofori-Atta. Come and speak to us. You are the leader of the NPP. Why is he scared? Ken Ofori-Atta kuta ubia shuam. Anambano okutomonufum. Everybody is a dog before Ken Ofori-Atta. I'm waiting for one human to speak in the NPP and I'll call you human. I don't care where you are, who you are, how old you are. You have all turned into dogs before Ken Ofori-Atta. I want a human to speak and grant an interview and tell Ken Ofori-Atta that you need to come because you staying out there basically tells Ghanaians we are criminals. From the top to the now, mi penipa. Just one human being to be man enough. What has this guy yelled? What does he have? That all of you, party etina himfie, party ayena na ba afọ akototi di sikati, party ayesi aya santifo party a uku apem beba party ene apem adani kodu. Apem adani kodu. We want to see men. The person whom mema. Is it not interesting and shocking that yenya obia, even their stupid bloggers cannot speak against or question Ken Ofori-Atta? They are stupid bloggers. Ask yourself why. It means this guy is the engine of their destruction. Ken Ofori-Atta, he tainted everybody. Everybody is tainted. Corruption blood. Corruption blood. Everybody is tainted. I thought Gabi Ochredakun didn't take political appointment. Why is he that skeleton? Why is he also scared to speak? He's supposed to come on TV and say, Ken Ofori-Atta needs to come to Ghana. Please come. Please. Why is he not doing it? That AIDS patient. Why is he not doing it? He's not doing it because Ken Ofori-Atta is basically the center bolt. Everybody is implicated in the NPP. This guy gave everybody some of the booty. Or chairman, Obiya Nyabi. Minya dwa, minyo chin. Me se party way, yetina santimemo. Eya santiko toko party. Uku apima apembaba, and apemna bre, emere ya gobe. Meman tumin kasa wa sante, meman tumin kasa wa MPP mu. Obiya ye din. We are all see what is happening. And the apemna bre me ya gobe. Emema kasa boaka omu yemu. Yena nanu anamu kasa. Se nyoma nkoye wa MPP mu ende obiya ye din. That is how dangerous this guy has become. But I don't blame any of them. I blame the flag bearer. Mahamudu Bawumia is a liar. In the month of Ramadan, Allah would never open the skies to Bawumia. Allah would never, as far as this dark shadow of Samira is in his life, Allah would never. And whatever Allah creates, no man on earth should even think of destroying. And Allah in his own wisdom will never open the skies to Bawumia and his wife, especially his wife. Ghana for Munjune. You should think. The NPP is a dangerous killing machine. They don't care about you. Into menya politics. So it is not going to get everything right. But enya kura is a payday. Enya kura no is a payday. In the history of Ghana's politics, yento aba democratically enya ban mo bien Ghana in free Ghana a finance minister. Stays out of the country, and the party now, man, is had to me 8 years now, has refused to speak on it. Then you tell me 2028 I should give power to Bawumia. This guy is the NPP president. Bawumia is a toy. This guy, he's the NPP president. He controls the party. And time I just say, Bawumia is just a symbol to the Ekufuado family. On the way, Jimmy Momo. They control the party. They control Bawumia. They know how the party should go. They decide. And intina Ekufuado hunipa samaba, nobody in the party can speak. It shows how powerful the Ekufuado family still controls the party. Bema or party why na Bema? Ekufuado even not being in power, nobody can speak against his cousin. Nobody. From Kufuor to the last messenger. Nobody is able to speak against the Kufuor's cousin. Bema no why? There's no ban. He is the party president. I keep telling you people, Munya would more says it, Mamon rush into things. This government, slow but sure, it will deliver. In John Mahama's first term way, he's proving himself. And God and men will decide at the end of the day where we will head as a nation. Bible no. Na se me enche alpha wa beje title no. Isi am yesho we ya be 4 years count. No, me ya be 7 years count. Na one time me ba na ma start na say me encourage mo na me mamo some kind of talk be woman me quotation na me dane na sorry. Na me be gym ho side so me gym ho be 7 years na me jaya sorry no na me kukuma na ma divert to motivational speaker ai sad na me dey hwe wo de wo onye serious into on say we no me politics na be 7 years back ho I'm 7 more years yeah me 7 more years ne kan we pe na me babia na me 7 years ne be end no na ma start the Bible church Bible mu me che me ba as our we are young people, we need to understand. Say unyame edoye. Then I made the motivation words, na me the quotation be wono, na fi me brainwash wa adwene say unyame betuma e bibia ma, which is true. Na fi kakra no, na me the number ba ko abetare nchen, na ma chem so be every Wednesday anajo Ghana time 12 to 1. And the meditation time and telling ourselves good things. Near the quotation in film into after a year na be jina. Na say numbers na abeji screen so na mutugum na me build it into me nyasi kana be point bia na no so say no so points ne go for man na move wako motivation after ba me say life, marriage, divorce, how we can all live together as a people. Sata na bibiri jamo na ma bibiri wo town mu a omukunu ja omo in be ma so nya broken heart into muso mo chank no wo ho say mapo when you put Otabo 2.0, no, come on, Otabo, or you had fucking. Mr. Get me Otabo song. Oh, the last time you got it for me, Benzo Otabo. Oh, Mr. Fantino in business, chairman to Chabit, Mensa, which what to Mensa. And we see Mensa, why is in the Bible, can't go, hey, on and pass them. Never bankers, I'm about on number jail. Benzo Otabo. Into Sundays, you know. Na ma betina ha me basia African printing kwa me nhye foreign shirt in dabi say me be say relate ti me ba abosebu an ma hye bubu ebu an ma hye kaftan na me relate to me say this guy is such a humble guy in front of God Because me suka cro. Yeah, the nyuma shem ni nyina yenye di ahosen ye worship to me boy na ma edin na me TV no so men kasa. That's me ye. That's me bomb pie wo mi trim no ma charge ai that's men kasa. Na sa manfo guso nye men kasa. Na sa nyina no me gemu na enti me gemu kakra ho so be 3 years. Ai. Dia me kenya bebe mo. Na me yes me gimi. Na on some dia we gemu. Na me dey so agimbe 3 years metua. Ai says na nya dan. MPP for go for we dey MPP for mu kwa dey gimi for. MPP for system mu kwa dey gimi for. Ye ntumi ma ne nkosa. Inti esi me mama me 7 years na me fa nye nyame adwuma we wie. Mama me 7 years na me fa nye nyame adwuma we wie. Me ye we wie a na ma move akọ slowly Otable 2.0. I and as I starting Monday, Wednesday and Saturday, Sunday morning. Into Mondays nearby. Because life. Life is such a wonderful thing. And God has been there for us. From the day you were born, God has always been there for you. Sometimes you forget yourself. Sometimes you get so agitated. Sometimes you want to give up. But when you read the scriptures, it always talks about having that patience. Patience conquers everything. Now, the life of Jesus has always been a life that we can always learn something from. When Jesus was young, when he first encountered his disciples, Jesus had to have patience because they all believed in different things. So with patience, that is the root of building nations. So remember when Jesus met Simon and when he was a fisherman, when Jesus went fishing with him, because Jesus knew what the ocean carried in its belly, Jesus fell asleep. He knew there was going to be turbulence. He knew that Simon was going to call upon him. He knew Simon was going to put his ego aside at a point. So Jesus temporarily switched off and pretended to be asleep. But when Simon got to that point where he got dejected, he did not know what to do. He looked around and the world behind him was dark. The ocean was about to swallow him. He called on his God. But you might say that Jesus neglected Simon, but Jesus didn't do that. What Jesus did was he made Samuel understand or understood patience can build your faith. So the patience that Samuel had is what he based his faith on to call on Jesus. So when Jesus woke up and spoke to the storm, and that is what you need to know as a human being, you need to believe in yourself that you can look in the eyes of the storm. You might be going through marital problems, you might be going immigration problems, you might be going through so many problems, but you can look in the face of the storm, and if you have the belief and the discipline and the trust, you can conquer the storm. But some say, wow. Hey, Kevin Taylor, God really works in mysterious ways. He's using the guy. Maybe Jimo. And you also say, "No, Oshamisa, Obi can team boy will the diagross as Obi Lania Minipo, Sana Majo. Ultimate 2.0, no. My dreaming Juma crank, no, let the crank work. Sa crank near Juma, met Jimuna, me you 7 years, no, done. Me going to become a plan, because also me a hard guy. It's a human idea, yache. Mem MP before system, no quite Jimmy for Dawson. Me yen 7 years, no, Satia, sorry.
Our motivation as a giver should never simply be because we want people to pay us back. And that's what Jesus is talking about. And the people who give with expectation to be paid back, they are influenced by control and influence. They want to gain influence. They want to have access to certain important circles of life. They want people to owe them. So sometimes people give in certain quarters because they want to enter those quarters. They want to have access to that space. They want somebody's friendship. They want somebody to invite them to a party next year. They want somebody to put them on their mailing list or on their phone contacts. But But that's not why we give. That's what Jesus is saying. Because the essence of giving is not to get people to give you back. The essence of giving is to do good. That's it. Do good for what? To be good. So after I've done good, then what again? You've done good. That is what giving is about. It's about doing something because it is good to do it. Giving to God because it is good to give to the Lord. Helping somebody in need because it is good to help somebody in need. That's all. That's the biggest motivation. And Jesus says, if you were doing good or we are giving in church because we want to be paid back. So when the church announces who are really good givers, your name will be mentioned. Yes, it's important for the church to recognize who gives, but our giving should not be so that we'll be recognized as givers. I hope you get it. Each one of us has a responsibility. Somebody does good for me, I have to do good for them. But their motivation should not be because they want me to do good to them. Their motivation must be, I want to do good. My motivation also should be, I want to do good. All of us must do good, but we don't do good in expectation of reward.
Don't do good in expectation of reward. Give. My catch was 4 years. Number smart. Maybe me didn't catch you. Into me start after 7 years. Na Kevin dear, my catch him after 7 years. No, me switch it. Into me catch you. I didn't yache. You business into after 7 years. No, me switch it. Reverend K. I've never paid in Reverend K. After 7 years, me switch it. Me turn a crack. Na me wudem. I'm telling you, this is the word of the Lord.
Living Word is brought to you by International Central Gospel Church, celebrating 25 years of raising leaders, shaping vision, and influencing society through Christ. Living Word is brought to you by International Central Gospel Church, celebrating 25 years of raising leaders, shaping vision.
Inti, Outer Light. Outer Light International. Outer Light International. You better register next week. Outer Light International by Reverend K. The man about Reverend K. How are you, Reverend K? Yes, pass off to Reverend K. Can I come and talk to you? So yeah. You can come to my office. Hello, Reverend K. Yes. From corner. Hello, this is Reverend K of Outer Light Ministries. How can I help you, Reverend? Do you know something? I want to come and see you. Come on. Aqua, Reverend, please. Me from phone. Hey, I do two from Grandma. Now me a day. Me you man no. Hello, welcome. Hello, how are you? You have reached Outer Light International Ministries. My name is Reverend K. Who am I speaking to? Reverend, this is from. So, what's wrong with you? Can I come see you? It's 2:30. No problem at all. Come. Says off when you're bonny. You be a pono. No. Mummy and you. Okay. This is the problem. So, there's a bumper. Whatever bumper I'm watching. The problem. Rough. Outer Light International Ministries. Outer Light. Inner Light. Outer Light. Outer. You can't any shrine kwa bontene. Inner Light. That be Outer Light.
The MPP cannot be underestimated.
The MPP of Darocha, Sakiskek, Victor Wusu, Kofi Buzia, Professor Edubuahe, Alajete, J.A. Kufuor, those men of value, those men of integrity are not what we have today. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words,